Once the correct size has been selected, then you should consider the type of spanner to use for the particular job. With a nut and bolt type fastening, a ring spanner would be used to provide the main pull on the nut. An open-ended spanner may be used to prevent the bolt turning. Use the open end of a combination spanner for light work. Don't use excessive force, as this will stretch the jaw open and damage both spanner and fastener. Turn the spanner round and use the ring end for final tightening. When a fastener is excessively tight, or when space is a problem, you may decide to use a socket, together with a T-bar, or in some instances, a power bar. The power bar is not usually included in the basic socket set, but can be purchased separately. For turning fasteners in restricted areas, the ratchet is a very useful and speedy tool. The ratchet can be used to turn both clockwise and anti-clockwise. However, do not use a ratchet for final tightening or initial loosening, as excessive force will damage the internal mechanism. Final tightening should be done using the T-bar, or, where necessary, with a special device known as a torque wrench. A torque wrench is used to provide a specific amount of tightness called torque to important fasteners. You will learn more about torque wrenches in future programs. In order to gain access into deep recesses or past obstacles, it will be necessary to use either one of the two extensions. Attach an extension rod between the socket and the driver to create a convenient tool for reaching the fastener. No matter what spanner type you are using, it is always advisable to pull rather than push when using force. If you must push, due to circumstances beyond your control, then it is safer to bump the tool using the open hand whilst maintaining a firm hold of the spanner with your other hand. Never try to extend the pull using makeshift levering devices such as a pipe. This will cause severe damage to both spanner and fastener. On extremely tight fasteners, it may be necessary to apply heat, corrosion-penetrating fluids, or a special air-powered impact wrench may be used. Together with special heavy-duty impact-type socket spanners. As in most cases, the skills of choosing and using spanners is gained mostly by experience. Following simple rules and applying common sense will ensure that your spanners will serve you faithfully and safely for life. After the pause, you will revise the basic rules of spanner usage and learn a few other tips.